Ever think about what it really takes to drive? Probably not. We learn it, and we just do it. We'll stop. Think about it. Driving is hard. We process things quickly, react instantly. Our brains do this so well, it's mind-blowing. At Waabi, we're teaching the brain of a self-driving vehicle to do the same, but even better. This brain is virtual. Picture lines of code, like the Matrix. We call it the Waabi driver. But it still needs access to experiences to learn like us. That can't happen entirely out on the road. It would take thousands of self-driving vehicles, driving millions of miles for thousands of years to experience everything necessary to drive safely. After all, there are many things that happen very rarely. We need another way. That's why we made Waabi World, our high-fidelity driving simulator, or simply put, the ultimate school for self-driving vehicles. Let's take a look inside. First, Waabi World reconstructs from real-life sensor data. We can automatically reconstruct objects, such as cars, SUVs, trucks, and more. It can digitally recreate reality as seen, or even modify it, to create an endless number of diverse virtual worlds. And we can do this across different sensor configurations, as though the driver were in a car, or even a truck. All automatically and at scale. We drop the Waabi driver into these simulated virtual worlds, and it can see and behave exactly as it would in the real world. Waabi World can then create traffic scenarios to test the Waabi driver and generate all kinds of variations. We can create scenarios that mimic a calm afternoon or morning rush hour, 2-lane interstates or 5-lane freeways, all while reacting in real time to the Waabi driver's behavior to create interesting interactions. It's kind of like playing a video game, where every action has a reaction. The Waabi driver makes a choice, traffic reacts. But unlike a video game, Waabi World can multiply and evolve scenarios infinitely. We can also evaluate how the Waabi driver performs in simulation and use AI to automatically generate challenging and realistic scenarios. Waabi World doesn't just test the driver to its limits, but also helps it learn new skills. Initially, the novice driver has difficulty in a scenario. But over time, Waabi World can be an instructor and help the driver get better. So ultimately, the Waabi driver will learn on its own to drive safely in any vehicle, in any scenario, anywhere in the world. Ever think about what it really takes to drive? At Waabi, we have. And Waabi World is our answer.